Devin is the greatest tech scam in the world. I'm gonna be straight up about it. I told y'all so. Like, Devin is what, $200? I don't even know, $500, I think. I didn't want to say 500 because I felt like, nah, if I, it's $500, bro. And that motherfucker cannot commit to get. Ain't that a bitch? $500 a month and he cannot commit to get. Yo, I almost punched my screen after that, bro. Like, what do you $500 for if you can't do a simple task like that? What can you do? Do you even know what you're doing? That's the scary part.
To be able to replace every software engineer in existence as a complete AI tool for coding. And while it terrified software engineers when it was first announced, people quickly started to realize that it either didn't work as intended or didn't work at all. In fact, the only thing actually surprising was that the company behind Devin AI, Cognition, managed to reach a $2 billion valuation within 6 months. So, how
What?
exactly did Cognition AI
Oh,
manage to reach such a huge valuation with a product that was half baked? How does Cognition even exist? In March 2024, Cognition Labs claimed Devin AI could replace human software engineers. Within weeks, they raised $175 million and reached a $2 billion valuation. This scared the pants off every software developer in the world, and facing imminent jobless anarchy, no one knew what to do, until results started showing that Devin wasn't all that it was propped up to be. The YouTube channel, Interest of Bugs, spent 3 weeks analyzing every frame of Cognition's promotional videos, revealing a carefully orchestrated deception. Their investigation exposed specific manipulation techniques. First, the live coding demonstrations were heavily edited. In one sequence where Devin appeared to debug code in minutes, timestamp analysis revealed 47-minute gaps between cuts. The YouTuber overlaid the original video with git commit timestamps, showing how a 10-minute fix actually took over 4 hours. The channel also
yo, this the shit I be talking about in the niche of programming and shit. Y'all a bunch of liars. Liars. What do you, yo, and yo, I'm not saying it in a bad way, but here's the honest truth. If you're gonna be on the internet and on YouTube giving content about programming and development, you either do some shit like me, platonic, review and share your analysis and thoughts, even though dick riders will say that that's not content, or you either do it live, like me again, and make sure that when you're working on it, you don't cut anything out. Like you're a programmer, bro. You're supposed to problem solve it through. You're not supposed to cut it out and make the other company look good. That's the company that's trying to take your job. Yo, this is an abomination of programming on a different level, bro. And no one's bringing it out like this content creation wheel shit. Yeah, I know you need content to program and content to kind of like push your own stuff, but you need content. You don't need bullshit. Like, I think people are taking it too literal with the content. Like, all you need to do is post work that you're doing, not bullshit. God damn, I make the easiest task
discovered
hard.
that Devin's celebrated bug fixes were staged. In the demo video, Devin appears to fix complex integration issues, but the code repository's history showed these bugs were artificially introduced just before recording. As one section revealed, Devin was fixing syntax errors in files it had created moments before, equivalent to creating a spelling mistake just to show you can correct it. Most damning was the Upwork earnings claim. Internet of Bugs tracked down the actual Upwork job posting and client feedback, revealing that not only was Devin's submission rejected, but the client had specifically noted submitted work appeared to be AI generated and didn't meet basic requirements. The $150 payment Cognition claimed Devin earned never actually happened. The Upwork task was straightforward: set up a computer vision model on AWS. The solution was right there in the README file, a single line of instructions. Think of it like having a recipe card for baking cookies, but instead of following the recipe, Devin tried to invent a new way to bake cookies, broke the oven, then spent hours trying to fix it. The reality, a simple task that took a human developer,
Nah,
then
I
spent
got I got a screenshot. Yeah, I'm snipping that one because that's about to be my screenshot from now. I mean, my thumbnail from now on. Cause ain't that what? What? Yeah, what?
Hours trying to fix it. The reality, a simple task that took a human developer 36 minutes took Devin over 6 hours to complete, and it still failed. Speaking of, thanks so much for all the support on the channel lately. It really means a lot, and I want to give something back to you guys.
Yo, that's honestly nuts. A 4 hour turnaround for fucking commits? Yo, yo, if that ever happened to me on the day of, if that ever, and yo, if any AI product slows me down to the slightest, I want my money back. There's going to be a lot of refunds. That should be, if there's any law that needs to be passed, it should be the immediate turnaround law. Like, if you can make money that fast overnight with tech startup, and it goes for me too, then you should be able to get that money back as fast. You feel me? If that shit is not living up to what the fuck you said it would, that 2 million evaluation should be cut in half the next day. There should be no, oh, let me wait 24 to 48 hours. There should just be an obligation to provide. And it's funny because out of all industries where it's like kind of like time requirement to provide the best service, tech is the only industry where you can do it instantaneously. You want to know how I know? Instagram. So there's no motherfucking excuse. I could open my app and get happiness in a matter of seconds. Seconds. So there's no reason why this Devin shit is doing stuff in 4 hours. Like, I don't even know what it's doing, but whatever it is, you need to take it back to the factory and give everybody their $500 back. Everybody, even the people you hired to have your like reviews, or you should have them like, yo, here's a free 250 for wasting your time, because this is a goddamn shame. It's a goddamn shame, bro. And I'm a programmer. What, you thought you was gonna replace me? That's how I looked at Devin. Ah, oh no, Devin is coming to take my job. Ah, like,
Job? That sounded a bit weird. But whether you're a UX designer,
oh
app
man.
developer, freelancer, or just a curious viewer, I want to get to know you guys, share some UX and UI tips, and maybe even get a gig. So I made a Discord channel for us and want to make this the place to be. No IDE window, all pointing to significant human assistance during the demos. The truth was simple: cherry picking. While Cognition Labs trumpeted a 13.86% success rate as revolutionary, they conveniently omitted the truth. Out of 570 coding tasks,
Yo,
Devin failed every
w- what I find alarming is you guys are casually omitting the truth. Y'all casually omitting the truth. Casually. Yo, yo, we live in America, we living in a movie. Cause y'all niggas is, yeah, and these are tech conglomerates. They're casually telling. This is why I don't know if AGI exists or not. Cause the benchmark is always getting moved. The poll is always getting pushed to the left a little bit every time the release comes out. Once y'all get y'all money, y'all be like, hey, look, it may be this, may be that. We still gotta work on it. Like, when is this shit gonna be figured out? You guys are the ones leading the tech charge. I'm hard on you guys because I want to be there too. When y'all gonna figure it out? It don't look like y'all working hard enough. Y'all need to give someone else a chance, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, cause this shit, yeah.
every single task that required changes across multiple files, 95 in total. It also couldn't handle 230 tasks that needed more than 15 lines of code. The only tasks it managed to complete were simple, single-file changes, the kind of work developers already accomplish with free tools like
Interest of
ChatGPT.
bugs.
Even existing tools like GitHub Copilot, which doesn't claim to replace developers, helps complete 30% of developers' code on average and costs $10 monthly. Way cheaper than Devin's overpriced, underperforming system.
Copilot is
The
free. Copilot is motherfucking free.
success rate, when examined closely, revealed not a breakthrough, but basic functionality dressed up as innovation. This gap between hype and reality wasn't just embarrassing, it affected real decisions. Companies delayed hiring developers, thinking AI would soon replace them. Investors poured
Yo. I love the time we're living in. You're to any business, company, and tech, no, any business person that use Shopify, all those cool tools that make you feel like you don't need a programmer. Aha, bitch. Yo, I'm saying that for all the 3 million tech people that don't want to say it because they're afraid to lose a job. Aha, go back to Shopify, nigga. Go back to OpenAI, nigga. Go get that Claude membership, boy. Y'all stupid asses. Y'all didn't want to hire us. Now we about to do what Elon and everyone else is doing. Yeah, 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 yeah. That was gonna be the turnaround. We usually here to help y'all company grow on the fact that it helps us keep a holistic lifestyle. Don't nobody want to be a CTO of 89 companies. So we have a tendency to help that one company that we love and we stick behind it. But not this time, my nigga. Yo, every developer, hone your skill and just be a hoe in this programming world, bro. Just be the hoe, bro. If they not giving you what you want, next company. If you don't even have a job, screw it. Get online and make content, bro. You know how easy it is to get your name out there today? You know how easy it is? You just code, program, talk about the news, talk about what you know, and give your analysis. That's it, bro. And stay on that. Stay on that path, and you'll be a level 10 developer in no time. And all you really need to be is a level 3 developer in this time period, because all these no-name niggas that want to build technologies are they're building the technology because they have it. And all of these business operators that just want to replace things, trying to be cheap. That's what it really is. Y'all trying to be cheap. Y'all just not gonna be shit. And that's just what it's gonna be. Y'all gonna have to run ads through Facebook forever, run ads forever. And that's just what it's gonna be. I don't got no issue with that. It's just aha. I'm gonna make sure aha.
Poured millions into similar startups without proper due diligence. Meanwhile, actual developers watching the demos immediately spotted red flags that investors missed. But okay, Devin AI was a failure, a lie, and a mirage. So how did a lie manage to raise $2 billion? Let's break down the costs. A human developer completing the Upwork task in 36 minutes would cost about $30. Devin, taking over 6 hours and failing, would cost significantly more just in computational resources. Even using Cognition's own pricing model, each successful task would cost hundreds of dollars, 10 times what you'd pay a skilled developer on Upwork. In 2024,
You heard that? Yo, for all y'all that don't know how to price yourself,
even using Cognition's own pricing model, each successful task would cost hundreds of dollars.
each successful task costs $100, bro. So we gonna I'm leaving after this video because hell nah, nigga. Hell to the motherfucking nah. Y'all not about to nope. So $100 for each successful task. Alright. $100 each successful task. And that's just an estimate. $30 right now for a dev. All you gotta do is my notes on the screen? No, it's not on the screen. Let me make sure I have my notes, y'all. Hold on. Stay with me now. Stay with me. All you gotta do is ensure that you are monitoring the business and how much tasks they would need run and charge them based off that. Now you know your salary. And if tasks are strenuous, you just charge more than $100 per hour. There you go. Save this. Pricing yourself. There you go. Now you know how to price yourself, my boy. Now you know how to price yourself. Anyways, in regards to the video itself, Devin's a scam. Prime again, right? The Prime Time did a great video, and Devin could reduce Devin could reduce simple rule interesting bugs. Interesting bugs. Yeah, to be fair, developers ignore documentation. What is worse is often you learn more by reading forums or just using the thing than trying to read the document. Most developers get their documentation through autocomplete IDE. It's up to management to answer the document after developer leaves. Um, nah, bro. Some products just suck. So I don't know if you watched Crime Times Alive on Devin, but even a Netflix, even a well known would not give Devin that remark. You're saying it is too slow to do anything, and worse of all, it doesn't know to commit to get well. It will fuck up, which is not. Nah, it will mess up, which is not what we idle as a pair programmer or person who needs to replace programs. Laughing at venture capitalists and businesses when they realize AI's probability probability to a business model a development market will crash as a result of fast integration. Yeah, I think the market is going to crash as a result of fast integration. I just wanted to say that. All in all, I don't think Devin is a bad product. I just think it's a product that just has no purpose for a business. Maybe on a playground. Nigga, make that shit free, bro. Devin would be way better if it was free. Make that bitch free. First of all, it's in a Slack bot. Like it's on the Slack interface. I don't know what Gen Z was thinking, but make that shit free, bro. Like this, that's not it. Anyways, the greatest scam in history indeed, because that motherfucker does not know how to commit to get. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out here.